pressing play on the Caravan RV Camping website. So we have a few products from the Caravan RV Camping shop. We have the sunshade. We also have the anti-flap unit that goes on the awnings. And just recently we purchased the SOG unit for our Dometic toilet. So we thought we'd do a little review on this one because it's our most recent purchase. I'm going to open her up while I'm talking. There's the outside of it. Obviously we chose the black with the black door. It looks really nice and neat and smart. We thought we would do this video because the instructions for the Dometic were a little bit tricky. So obviously drilled into the door here with the pipe. The little plug comes off here. This plug goes on. We've put a little safety latch on it. And let's go inside because this is where we found a little bit tricky as to how it was all wired in. So blue, you can see, is a two-way piggyback plug. Then we go up to the main mechanism, which is a little wire that when you open the flap, the magnet will engage, and this then turns the vent on, which draws all the odor out. And then we come across to the main power source here with this little red plug with the brown electrical wire that plugs into it. So we thought this might help some people popping it in as well. Easy, in she goes. And again, and I keep forgetting to unplug this and pop this in, and neatly it's all tucked in, nothing gets stuck, and close the lid. So love it. We've just been away for 4 months and I thought, tablets, no tablets, that's really weird. Okay, let's do tablets. Then I didn't do tablets and there was no difference at all. There's no odors with or without tablets. So I thought, let's save some money. Let's not even bother doing tablets. And it's better for the environment. And I feel better about doing that. So thanks to Caravan RV Camping for giving us a great price on the product. And we absolutely love it. And yeah, we'll always go to those guys to buy our next caravan purchase. So thanks for watching again. See ya.